So I have some hydrogen thrusters there. Do need to find a way to get them connected through to the back half of the ship. Perhaps we can do this, like a little wall or something. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so where are we going to go from here? We've done that. I have. Excellent. I can do that. Just do them as part of the flight upstairs. Do the same on the other side. Yeah, that works. Definitely works.
Energy low.
Energy low. That's not good. Right. Energy's back up. Let's try and get some of this welded up. This is really awkward because I'm just outside of the gravitational field of my base. Eric. Yeah, really good. Yourself? Nice to see you again. Yep, I fit through there. That's cool. So block this up. Ugh. It doesn't make any difference. Yeah, that just tried that. Didn't make any difference. So I know it does in creative, but we're not in creative. Dun-dun-dun. Okay. Where are we going with this? Where are we going? Cool. We have a corridor. Wrong block. This is actually fine. There we go. Nice, nice. Okay, so where are we going? Some what do I want to do next? Gate, walkway, is this one? Okay, not available for small ship. for big ships. We're doing a small one. I guess we don't have one then. Okay. So, where are we going to go next? Where's next? Too narrow. Yeah, definitely too narrow. Bright lights then. What's going on? These magnetic boots are fantastic. What options have we got? Not available for small ship. Window. Oh come on, it has to be something cool for a small ship. Oh, these are available. That looks tiny. Got the scrolly one, didn't I? There's any good, isn't there? Let's have a look. No. Let's just go get some down here. Get them over here. Okay. Right, here it is. Windows. They're really small. Right, so when we're running around, we are this high, so we want them there and there. Do hope these are going to be airtight. Okay, so bring them to a pillar here. That looks alright. Done it again. Perfect. That's the right height. Look at that. We have windows. Nice. One, two. same? That's deceiving. I'm going to steal plates. Better get some. Just about to say, I don't think there's many left. You know, there's loads is good. Loads of good. Okay. I don't know, they're just pretty big, aren't they? I guess they're the right size for me to run through. Planning this is like the entrance to the ship down here. You come in, you go up, and you go different directions. Yeah, small grid. That would only be creative. See, that's hold and shift and control. I'm in survival. I have started a big ship, but like, look at it. It's massive. Miles away from finishing it though, but this is my big ship. I am on survival, yep. So yeah, this is the big ship. It was costing so much in resources. I was like, this is just painful. Yeah, that's where the big ship is so far. Reactor in there. We got the container down here. Gigantic thrusters, refineries. Tanks. Yeah, I plan on finishing that another day. Yeah, they got a really interesting update coming soon where they're going to be, they're adding new blocks, like a new faction. And apparently with the new blocks you're not going to be able to build them. You have to capture them and use merge blocks and stuff if you want to use them. Looks really interesting, but that's going to be quite difficult. You can't even build the refinery because one of the components is a non-craftable component. Yeah, it kind of feels like cheating if you're playing on creative. But it's creative, isn't it? But yeah, this is another ship that I built the other day. This is like it's a drill ship, so it's got everything it needs there, and all of these rotate, and it just plows through anything. There's a tunnel I made with it over here. Yeah, the futuristic blocks. They're calling it Prototech, I think it is. I think it's about to drop any minute now. really, I'm unsure where I'm going with this. It's starting to look different. Likely that we're going to move a lot of it around. I've got all the connections, the grids, the battery power, everything over here. I think I need to throw some hydrogen engines into them because we've got some big thrusters. We're going to need power. We've got reactors. Why is that not finished? Oh, tubes. Well, that's all good then. Yeah. Definitely do it. And I definitely recommend doing the vertical lives. Seems to be doing really well. Need girders. Need girders. Yeah, I'm really not sure about the new blocks when they come out. Like, oh, it's happening. It's going to be fun, but I'm wondering how difficult it's going to be because they're supposed to be like a futuristic faction. So they have all sorts of tech that nobody else has. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. I hate the sound of my own voice, so this is really cringy. But yeah, no, thank you. Yeah, Tiny Enterprise. That's kind of the theme I was going for. I just don't know how I'm going to round it off. It just looks kind of like a spatula at the moment, but I'm sure I'll find a way to kind of round it and then maybe make it some like jaggy steps or something. Don't know. We'll get there. So this is going to be the bridge up here, the top floor. This is the living quarters. So obviously this is where the captain's gonna have his bed and stuff. Maybe the medical room. I don't know. I'm just kind of going with it as I'm going. Got 2 corridors either side. Ladder up to the bridge. Still need to figure out how I'm gonna get all the conveyors up here, but we'll get there. USS Spatula. Oh dear. Right, let's weld all these up. This is what I do like about small grid is weld things up pretty quick. Yeah, I do like the small grid stuff. Not only because it's quicker to build, but you can be more intricate with it. Like, obviously the base is large grid. It just feels like it's just big and boxy and little room for creativity, I think, with large grid. Landing, yeah, well, I might be able to put a merge block and a large landing gear of some sort, make it like a shoe. Yeah, I tried that. Last time I tried it, they all kept getting stuck, but that was, what, 2 years ago? It was a long time ago I tried that mod, but they kept getting stuck. But no, it was a good one. Alright, let's going to get to the point we're going to need lights soon. He's going. He's going. Right. Oh, hasn't it? To be honest, I've never tried the game on console. Last console I bought was a PS3. Play a lot more PC. I think you can. Again, don't quote me. Oh, there's welders.
Your health is low.
Ah, welders. Well, I'd like to assume you can. Oh, we need a survival kit in the ship. I should do that. Where's the ship? There it is. That's pretty cool. Does it have all the same mods that are on the Steam Workshop, or is it like a totally separate workshop? Oh, he's big. No, the game is not free, but it's relatively inexpensive. Space Engineers. This is Space Engineers, definitely very fun. Little sandbox. But as you can see, I'm literally building a spaceship. It's worth picking up. What do I need? I've got conveyors. Actually, we should put another conveyor here. Get a little air vent. Short on some bits and pieces. No, while it's not free, I'd still pick it up. What was it, 20, 30 pound, if that? Then factor in the DLCs, but they're only like £2 each and stuff. You can, yeah. I haven't even thought about how I'm going to colour scheme it yet. So we have, well, you can't see it on this screen, it's just off, but there's different textures, there's colour sliders, so we can colour it. Black's always pretty cool. So we can make some noises as we paint them. So there we go. How does Minecraft? Yeah, this is certainly more in depth. I'll be honest, I haven't actually played around with the programming blocks much at all. I don't. That's the fun of it, right? Just kind of going, yeah, let's go this way, let's put this there. But just to the right hand side of the screen, to the stream, there's just a little pop-up that shows what I'm looking at, what block I'm looking at, how fully built it is, what components I need to collect. It does say it's the right, watch out for the welders. What do I don't need more girders, they're way too much. Let's get some motors, some of them, and we're full. Let's get rid of all the motors. Yeah, there's a lot of pre-built scripts available on the workshop, which is which is quite good. With a lot of documentation on how to use them, what triggers and oh, obviously. What colour go fastest with? Two, like the Viper. Interior plates. I didn't pick up any interior plates. Too big racing trip, right? Deal. It's happening. Interior plates. I'm going to find out in a moment. I can't get to some of the blocks, aren't I? Like that guy there. Probably could have gone on the back. Yeah. Okay. Don't kill yourself now on the engines. Right. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, nice one, Nathan. I'll catch you later. Right. Where are we going next? What's next? Oh, did this has gone? Did I connect? I didn't connect. One, two. Okay, let's put the ship in reverse and see if they come on. No, they're not connected somewhere. Where are they not connected? Because they go down, they go in there. Oh. Go across there. Goes down. Oh, one's lit. Where's the other one not lit? There we go, both lit. Excellent. Oh, it's getting dark now, the sun's going down. Right, is there a small gravity generator? Nope, no small gravity generator. Actually, maybe I should finish this up front off. Do all glass or one, two. No, I want to be able to see where we're going. Where we go? What do we have? Or flat windows. Do like those ones. Yeah, the magnet boots, they really throw me off. Like, so, okay, watch this, right? Jetpack is off, we're floating. We're just floating forward now without a jetpack. In a moment, the gravity area of my base is here, so here's fine. As soon as I go over here, I just float off. And they really get confusing when you do this. Like, what's that about? Hey. Weird. Okay. I want the seating area to be able to see forward. Don't think I'm going to be able to do these at a slope, at an angle following this. Which is a bit of a shame because I quite like the way that looks. And I will change all of these to slope blocks eventually, so that it looks a bit more smooth. Let's go down here. Make sure we're airtight. Close that guy, close that guy. Close that guy. Yeah. Take my helmet off, and we are airtight. Escaping. It's not too big of a problem because I got shed loads of ice, like more than I can comprehend. I feel like I'm just walking backwards and forwards now. Medical components. Right, let's go get some medical components. So we can finish that. Here. Yeah. 3. That's all we need. Okay, so now we can heal up in here, which is nice. And with this door closed, actually, we're going to be able to pressurize. Got some lights. What can I put in here? Is it like a bed or anything? Half bed, inset bed. Definitely not going to fit there, is it? Not available for a small ship. How unfortunate. Half bed. Not available for a small ship. Yeah. Yeah. I think I will program in a proper. Yeah. Okay. Right. So this is something I usually do. I need to build a control panel so I can do that. So let's put a control panel by next to the light. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it to the main grid, so that's going to get messy. Okay, let's just disconnect for a moment. Okay, so the reason for that is what I'm going to do, I'll be able to group all the lights just so I know which one's on medical, so I name them correctly. And save them as a group. I've got lights medical, so I can make them nice cool colours. There we go, let's give it a blue. Nice. Spooky. Spooky, what do you want about? It's not spooky. Right, put some in the... Did they have corner lights? Do they work in here? Oh, they do. I can do those. Perfect. What's really? Okay, go there. Again, just naming all these lights so that the group makes sense. And I actually, what colour do we want? We want green. Let's do green. We actually make it bigger. Let's make it a 4 meter radius. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Green corridors. Some light leaking, so we can turn the radius down afterwards. Wow. Oh, I didn't put any down here. They're definitely going to be red down here. Definitely, 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 definitely. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we're done here. We have a little gap. Okay. There's nobody buried in there, so don't worry. There and there, and I'm not going to be able to put one there, so we're going to have to go with a. Oh, I want a corner light there and there. I've got one above this door. Go. So this is kind of like an airlock. We got this whole room here now, haven't we? Which this is where you get into the ship. You're like, yeah, cool. We're going on a ship. We're going to go explore space. You go up the ramp, and you end up in here. And then once you've passed through into this, you're allowed onto the ship. The bridge will be up here. That's the bridge. But I actually think that I'm going to come off now. 1,800 views.
What, right now?
Yes. I'm just muting the mic. Okay, I'll be down in 5. Yes, so I'm actually going to come off about now. Otherwise I'm just going to keep flying back and forth and not really get what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm quite happy how far we've gone with this. I think I'd like to do some sort of like retractable walkway for the entrance doors. We could do some like magnetic pads or something. Get the airlock up and running. What's that? What is that? That's really random. Is there one on the other side? That is really random. Oh. Is that the light? That was the light, wasn't it? Better rebuild that, otherwise we're going to lose all of our oxygen. Heavy armor, heavy. I don't want to do heavy armor because it's too heavy. There we go. Oh, it's just the back of the model for the control panel or the lights. Of course it was. For the control panel. Okay, right, anyway. I'm going now. How do you start building ships every time it's touched the ground? I actually start them down here. So I've got this landing gear on this, and I just build the small blocks across the welders and then do the whole bottom of the base across the welders, and it's super quick. But you can see I've got some misplaced blocks over there. But that, yeah, that's how I start the ship. And then once they're at a position where they can fly away, I'll bring them somewhere nicer, chuck them onto a connector, and get everything sorted. But yeah, right. Yeah, I did actually think for the big ship up there, where I'm planning on doing the same thing on both sides. You see, like, it's a thing there, middle, and I haven't started this side. I was actually thinking of taking a blueprint of that and sticking that into Creative, putting a blueprint on the ship, loading that back into this, loading the blueprint so I can see where. Yeah, but I haven't done that. Yeah, there's a few I missed. I'm scared to go in there and get them because I do tend to die every time I go down there. Look, we got some blocks, got some plates, more blocks, some scrap. I tend to die quite often down there, so stay away from there for now. But yeah, I think I've done pretty well with this, so I'm going to come off now, and I will build more another